Sawblade.com has partnered with Morse to make it easier to order quality American-made porta-band blades. Enhance the performance of your Milwaukee M12 with the Morse 1418 TPI porta-band blade. This blade will resist tooth stripping and produce great results in cutting a variety of material. The 27 and 3/16 inch long porta-band blade will fit the Milwaukee M12 and will excel in cutting materials from a 14 gauge up to 1/8 of an inch thick. The 1418 TPI blade can cut prime applications such as a Schedule 42 inch pipe, rigid conduit for electrical, strut, and threaded rod. The teeth of the 1418 TPI blade are designed with a large backer so that it withstands the high impact and stress of going in and out of materials. This tooth design also helps improve blade life and leaves a clean, workable finish. This American-made blade is engineered to reduce problematic vibrations that strip teeth and cause blade chatter. At Sawblade.com, we manufacture quality American bandsaw blades that are made to order, and we also offer an extensive line of sawing products. We also sell circular blades, coolant, machines, and aftermarket parts, so you can think of Sawblade.com as your one-stop shop for all of your sawing needs. Thanks for watching, and please check out Sawblade.tv for more in-depth videos, product overviews, and tech tips to take your cutting game to the next level. I'm Celeste, product specialist at Sawblade.com, and remember, no middleman, no markup, no problem. Go direct.